Find the natural domain and corresponding range of g of f of x if f of x is x squared minus 6 and g of x is the square root of x plus 2. So, the input first of all goes into f and then goes in to g. And we can see that because the x is here, so if it's going through this way, it goes f and then g. Now g has a problem. It's a square root. We can only take square roots from 0 upwards. So what we have to have going into here is x greater than or equal to negative 2. Negative 2 add 2 is 0, so that's okay. And if x is more than negative 2, this will be positive. So we have to have x greater than or equal to negative 2 at this point. Now think about x squared minus 6. So that looks like this, and we want the output to be more than negative 2. So if we put on here y equals negative 2, what we can't have is x values in between here. So let's think about x squared minus 6 being equal to negative 2. That gives me x squared is equal to 4. So x is going to be positive or negative 2. So this is negative 2, this is 2. We can't have our input in between here because that will result in numbers down here which are less than negative 2. So we can say we can have real values provided that x is less than or equal to negative 2 or x is greater than or equal to 2. Now the range is not difficult for this example because what we've done is arrange this so that x is greater than or equal to negative 2 goes into g. Now if x is equal to negative 2, we know we get 0, and then the square root graph is going to go like this. Now despite the fact it curves over, if we go upwards in this direction, it's always going to go upwards in this direction, and therefore the output or y values are going to increase forever. So we can say y is a real and y is greater than or equal to 0. So it goes from 0 upwards.